I got a package. Let's see what's inside. This is how the box look when I got it. I already took the wrap or the package off, but this is how the box look. It was a little crushed up, but that's okay. There we go. So that's what we looking like. Let's just open the box. So got dust bag. Got the paper. That's pretty. The paper's pretty. Oh yes! I finally got some. These are fine. These are dope. Look at that. Look at these. These are absolutely adorable. Look at that. Very good quality. Like, these sturdy. These are sturdy. Like, for real, they got weight to them. They don't feel like cheap, like foam. You know, like the little cheap sandals you get from Old Navy, that foam. It don't feel like, these feel like they're not heavy, but they're heavy. You know what I'm saying?